Wait. Mary's been pushing for what?
Mary's taking overboard.
She's been taking what do you mean overboard?
Just call me. Yeah, Mary? I'm not. You're the one recommended, though. I'm not. Well, Mary's getting upset.
Look, Jeremy, call me when she's not around. Don't call me when she's sad, okay?
She's with me all day, though.
Huh?
She's with me all day.
Oh.
I'll see if I can call you when I arrive. You're out of town right now.
Yeah. Okay, look, talk about stuff right now. You can talk about that stuff.
Let's not talk about this right now.
Okay. Luke, have you told your parents? You showed that to your parents?
Let's not talk about this when Mary's here. She's like pissed off right now.
Okay.
I'll call you when no one's home, okay?
Okay. And then look, it's okay. Angela's here. I give you Angela's number. You can talk to Angela too. Say hi, Angela. Say hi,
Hi,
to.
Jeremy.
Hey, Andrew, you want to do a video call?
Yeah, well, I don't know how to do a video call, but you want to do... Can you call me if I give you my number, regular number?
Oh, now use it, huh?
Oh, yeah, we can do video call. Hi, how are you?
Okay. I'm just a little like upset, like not upset, like my song saying show the picture, Angela. I sent you.
Are you sure? Hold on, I'm
I
sure.
might have an ulcer.
I'm sorry, Jeremy.
Hold on. It's Todd Angela.
Oh, no. That's awful.
I
That's...
know I drink a lot more.
Dude, you gotta tell your parents. You gotta tell your parents right now.
I already know. If they're down to 400 miles away, they can't really help me except for on video.
What is? Look, does Mary know?
Mary knows, yeah. She's
Okay, but then she'll so.
like 3.5 hours, they still couldn't see me.
Huh?
And then it's gonna be like 20 minutes when they said I might have an ulcer.
Oh, you've been to the doctor.
Well, urgent care, they would not take me in an emergency room. They had to wait 3.5 hours for emergency room.
Yeah.
Take my vitals or anything.
Yeah. Oh my God, emergency room was hard like hell. I'm glad they let me out. You know, I thought they were gonna keep me there. They wouldn't let me drink water. They made me put a mask on. I couldn't breathe. It was horrible.
I know.
And you know, kidney stone is the most painful. You know, I didn't know what it was.
Hey, so Zeke, I do want to talk to you about what's going on. But I don't want to embarrass her. You heard how she got upset, right?
Who got? Mary got upset.
Yeah, Mary got upset, so I'm going to talk to you about it later on.
Well, when she can't yet, tell me right now.
Hold up. We go for a walk. Wait.
Okay. He's being oppressed, very suppressed. Go on. Tell me, go ahead. Jeremy, tell me.
Well, Mary just, like, is basically writing everything I'm saying. Why do you have to tell parents that? That's obviously what's happening.
But you're too light to see. I'm not telling you about no story. I'm not even mad at you guys are friends. Why is Sarah like the way you talk to me? You're making lies for me. This is
I'm not.
Fight for each other.
I'm not making
I'm not
lies.
even mad at you. I don't have nothing against it. You're making lies.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. So I'm telling you, he's trying to hear me. His girlfriend's trying to hear me. I don't care if you guys are friends. Don't care. That's your friendship. Stop making lies up, dude. You're making people. This is why you make people fight. This is why nobody wants to be your caregiver, dude. This is why I don't have
I'm just going.
You're making lies.
I know I'm not. I know I'm not. You're the one who asked me to do that.
I didn't. You're making lies. Once again, I'm
Apparently
saying
you don't remember.
Apparently you always make lies, Jeremy. I'm the one that took you to see. Oh. If the difference is that your mom's taking that stuff, you're not to let me inside. That's it. You come over here. I don't care. You go with him.
really not.
Yes, you are.
I'll just talk to you when he's not here, okay, Zeke?
Okay.
There you go, so you can make me mad.
That's not making more. I don't want you upset.
I'm not even mad.
Oh,
I just want to cross my point. In secret, hear me. I won't care because you're friends. I'm not
Never
your
mind.
friend, Jeremy. I'm your caregiver. Stop making us fight.
You there, Zeke?
yeah.
I don't like when I get scolded. I'm really
She's saying
not
she
lying
wants to
now.
get restraining order against me?
We'll talk about this later, okay? Mary's just upset right now.
About what?
You raised your voice at me, Mary.
I'm raising my voice. You're all the way over there, and I'm all the way over here.
Okay, Jen. Okay, don't get her upset. Don't get her upset. Just don't get her upset. Okay, call me when you can talk to me in private, okay? And don't say that to her. Okay? Don't say it in front of her. Don't say this stuff in front of her. Don't piss her off, okay? Don't piss her off. Okay, call me later.
Fine. You can talk about other stuff if you want. It's not that right now.
Okay,
If
Luke.
you want.
Okay, alright.
But just so you know, I want that happening.
Okay,
I like you as a friend.
okay.
I'm not push against you, okay? I gotta answer the message Mary is saying. In a second. I wish I can delete Mary's messages.
What's she sending? Send them to me, okay, Jeremy? Don't talk out loud. Send them to me. Don't talk now. Don't talk now. Talk later. What's going on? That Mary's a person, huh?